Motivated seller. This home is currently being remodeled, so things change daily. New plumbing and water heater. Central heat air unit on property waiting to be installed. Pretty wood burning stove with a rock wall. 14 by 28 shop and storage wall shed. Beautiful granite countertops, new cabinets in the kitchen and appliances stay. Large covered deck overlooking the backyard. Quiet neighborhood, easy access to Highway 71 and only 5 minutes from town. Make an appointment to see all the current updates.